Welcome to second grade. Our team is very excited to begin a new year of learning with your child and also getting to know all of your families. This presentation will give you a brief introduction to the second grade curriculum. We will start with our language arts curriculum that consists of reading, phonics, and writing instruction.
The second grade team employs a balanced approach to our reading and writing instruction. As all members of the team share a love of reading, we ensure reading becomes the backbone of our program. In shared reading, we teach reading comprehension skills using a combination of making meaning and cafe. Making meaning helps teach reading comprehension in large group settings. Using popular trade books, teachers instruct and model individual comprehension skills. Once the skills have been modeled, the students use Cafe and Daily 5 to practice these skills with their peers. CAFE stands for comprehension, accuracy, fluency, and expanded vocabulary. All of these skills are necessary to become a strong reader. Daily 5 allows students to develop skills, share ideas, become independent workers, and build community. During Daily 5, teachers meet with students either one-on-one or in small groups based on students' learning needs. In small groups, teachers will work on building comprehension, draw awareness to accuracy, expand vocabularies, and respond to literature both verbally and in written form. A variety of texts, both fiction and nonfiction, are used during guided reading groups. Follow-up activities will be assigned for homework based on what students learn in their individual groups.
Our phonics instruction is implemented using a program called Foundations. It is taught daily in whole groups, and skills are taught in a specific sequence. A typical Foundations lesson begins with a daily review and then moves on to the introduction and subsequent reinforcement of new skills. We will spend a lot of time on long vowel patterns, vowel teams, digraphs such as SH and CH, and blends this year. The skills are practiced throughout the week in a variety of hands-on ways such as using whiteboards, gel boards, and skywriting. Our students will also practice the words and skills in context with the use of weekly fluency passages. Students will be assessed on their progress at the end of every unit, which is every 1 to 2 weeks. There will be multiple opportunities to practice the skills at school throughout the week, and homework packets will be sent home every Monday that highlight sight words, trick words, and the specific skills. Homework packets will be collected on Fridays. They can be handed in sooner, but some skills may not be taught until later in the week, so a good guideline is to do 1 page per night. Our Being a Writer curriculum introduces many genres of writing to our students. We begin with narratives because the students often find it easier to write about themselves and their experiences. Daily journal writing will also aid in developing their narrative skills. Throughout the year, we will also write expository or informational pieces, opinion pieces, and poetry. Students will have the opportunity to conference with their peers and teachers in order to begin practicing the steps in the writing process, such as revising and editing. They will also be able to share their writing, which they absolutely love to do. Our Envisions math program encourages problem solving and critical thinking skills using various strategies and manipulatives. Many areas of math are covered throughout the year, but a common theme prevails: word problems and written expression. There will be daily practice of these skills to guide the children in their learning. Some of the topics we will cover this year are double and triple digit addition and subtraction, as well as place value, number patterns, time, money, geometry, and graphing. Our students are also using the Rocket Math or Otter Creek program, which they were exposed to in first grade. They will continue to improve their rapidity of addition and subtraction facts in second grade. Extra math has also become more prominent in our classrooms. Students are given access to an online program that aids them in learning their addition and subtraction facts. It is highly recommended that they use this program at home as well. In the early weeks of school, they will receive their login information. The students will typically receive 1 page of math homework every night. We do try to keep the homework calendar updated, but there will be times when one class falls behind or one class gets ahead. Every day, though, homework pages are written on the board so that the students can circle the page they need to do or bookmark it.
Science and social studies are taught in whole group primarily with discussion and interactive technology-based lessons. Current events, scholastic news, and STEM-type activities are all used to enhance the curriculum. We will also focus on math skills throughout the school year. Homework in second grade typically includes a Foundations packet that is given on Monday and is due by Friday. We will also send home math homework books to reinforce the skill that has been taught that day. The children are only responsible for completing the practice side, but if they need more support, the reteaching side is always an option. We also encourage the use of the Extra Math computer-based backed practice program. Guided reading bags with books will also be sent home throughout the school year. Typically, your child will have the same bag for a week, and there may be assignments included. Please check your child's backpack nightly for the guided reading bags. We strongly encourage them to read for at least 15 minutes every night. General homework assignments can be found on the calendar on our second grade page on the school website. We do follow the school's homework policy, which states that 3 missed assignments will result in an after-school detention. Assignments are also written on the board each day, and verbal reminders are also given.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. We are looking forward to a successful year. If you have questions or concerns, please reach out to us. Email is generally the best way to send and receive quick responses. Please refer to the next slide for individual email addresses.